Hi and welcome in how to convert a video using a VLC Player. In this video I am going to show you that how we can convert one video format into another video format. For example, you have a video having a format .mp4 and you want to convert it into .flv or .webm or any other video extension. Then you can follow these steps. First of all, let's check that which format we have. Right click on your video and click on properties, and we have .mp4 video here. And now I want to convert it into .flv format. And how I can do this? First of all, I will open VLC Player, VLC Media Player, and then now click on Media and then Convert or Save. And here we add our video. Click on the video which you want to convert and then click on the convert or save. After that, give your destination file or path where you want to save your new video. I want to save it in my same folder but having the different name. After giving the video name, we write our extension. Now we have few extensions here: .ps, .ts, .mpg, .od, gg, .asf, .mp4, .mov, .wav, .raw, .flv, and .webm. You can convert in these formats your video. Now I want it into .flv, then I will write flv after my video's name, and now save and start. And here your video is streaming now, and it will take 1 minute and 21 seconds because this video's length is 1 minute and 21 seconds. If your video's length is 5 minutes, then it will take 5 minutes. After it, you can watch your new video. Okay, let's wait until it's completed. Finally it's streamed. Okay, now open your folder where you have saved your new video and play it. First of all, let's check its format, that either it's converted or not, and see here it is in .flv format. Now let's open it, and here it's working. I hope you found it informative. Don't forget to subscribe for the new informative videos. Thank you very much.